Welcome to our YouTube channel and please do subscribe it for more videos and updates. Don't forget to press notification button. Okay, let's begin with the information. One of the unique features of the Honor V20 which launched today is the proprietary technology called Link Turbo. Link Turbo is designed to improve network connectivity on your device by intelligently switching between LTE and Wi-Fi or even combining both if the need arises. We have been able to get our hands on more info about Link Turbo and how it works. Link Turbo's top feature is what is called intelligent shunting. This allows the user to set different networks to different applications. So you can set payment, banking apps to use 4G while apps for downloading can be set to use Wi-Fi. Link Turbo also allows you to combine both networks for apps that require a higher throughput such as online games such as PUBG and Fortnite or video streaming apps. Honor boasts about the speeds of Link Turbo. According to them, popular internet connection test site, Speedtest, says Link Turbo is 71% faster than an LTE network and 135% faster than a Wi-Fi network using the Honor V20 as the test device. They also carried out download speed test using Link Turbo on the Honor V20 against the iPhone XS Max which was connected to a Wi-Fi network and the Honor V20 was 40% faster. Honor says Link Turbo uses optimized TCP aggregation and also UDP transport aggregation technology. Honor claims it applied for 21 patents based on the technology. It also adds that Link Turbo is flexible and the user can decide to turn it off at will. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and comment on our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.